How to change Snapchat username while creating a Snapchat account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Snapchat username when you are creating a Snapchat account. So we have to create a account first, then we can change our Snapchat username there. So you have to click sign up and then you have to click continue here, and then you have to click allow and again click allow, and after this you have to put your first name and then last name, and then you have to click sign up and accept. So let's click, and after this we have to add our date of birth, day, month and year wise. So let's select our date of birth first and then we have to click continue. After selecting date of birth, click continue, and this is our username. This is my username, Rahul-7049. I have to change my username, then I have to click here change my username. So let's click here to change username, and we have to change our username here. Guys, you can change easily your username, but the username should be available also. So let me do this real quick. Now you can see my username was Rahul-7049, and here I changed my username to Rahul-34. After changing our username, we have to click continue. So let's click continue. So after that we have to set a strong password. It says your password should be at least 8 characters. So on the basis of that, create a strong password. So let's do this real quick, and then we have to click continue. So after clicking that, we have to wait a little, and Snapchat will automatically add our phone number. If it doesn't add, then you have to put your phone number and then click continue. So after it, Snapchat send us a verification or confirmation code to our mobile number, and we have to put it here, but Snapchat will also add this automatically. So here we finished creating a Snapchat account, and if you have friends on Snapchat, you can simply click continue, but for now we have to skip it. And now click turn on and then click allow, and also then click allow. So after it, Snapchat also asks to allow audio records, so click allow, and you can see there is a button called discover. So we have to click that discover button and then click here to your profile icon. So you can see my username has been changed to Rahul-34. So this is how you can change your Snapchat username while creating a Snapchat account. So if you found this video is helpful for you, then hit the like button and also subscribe button, and I will make more videos like this. So thanks for watching.